How to set your nickname in Instagram chat. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to this guiding studio, and today's guide video I'll show you how you can set your nickname in Instagram chat using Android or iPhone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video, guys. So now to set your nickname, open up the Instagram app from your Android or iPhone, and from the home page, go and tap on this chat icon at the top right. Now once you're here inside the chat section, just go ahead and select the group or person that you want to set the nickname for. So let's say I'm going to select the very first one and tap on this profile icon at the top right of that person or group, and he'll get to see the nickname. If you tap on this one, he'll get to see the very first option. This is showing my profile right over here. So if I tap on this one, it's going to quickly give me the option to edit the name. So I'm going to edit the name from here, and I'm going to set a nickname. And he'll get to see everyone in this chat will see this nickname. So you just need to tap on done, and the nickname will be set it up as you want. But you can't change someone's nickname from here unless they allow you to change their name. And this is how you actually can change your nickname in Instagram chat. Hope you find it super helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.